D12, we're back. Present value of an annuity here, and I think maybe you might want to watch this video more than once because it's going to be great. Also, present value of an annuity is something that you'll need to think about to understand. Now, we learned about annuities in the last video, where I make a regular contribution and earn interest on whatever's in that account every time it compounds. Right, the value of that savings account, if you will, at some point in time is the future value of that annuity. Now, the present value is not what's in that savings account now, it's something else. Now, if we may scroll back, if we can scroll back, you can see all my scribble thing. If we can scroll back to that first example that we looked at, right, where we put $1,500 every year into an account earning 7% per annum, compounding annually for 9 years, and I end up with $17,967. The future value of that annuity is this about $18,000. The present value of that annuity is going to be how much I need in that same savings account, earning 7% per annum, compounding annually for 9 years. But instead of making contributions, I put a lump sum in and leave it to collect interest. That's the present value. It's what lump sum is going to be worth the same amount. So in fact, let's quickly answer that question. Here's my 7%. Here's my 9 terms. So I need I need to put $6.51, say, into a savings account to earn the same amount as $1 being put in every year for 9 years at 7%. Now, this doesn't tell me what it's going to be worth at the end of that 9 years. This tells me what is the equivalent amount that I put in and leave in there. So I need 1,500 times this. Right, let's grab my calculator because I've got one. 1,500 times 6.5152 equals $9,772.80. Yeah, see that figure there? Right, if I put that much money, about $10,000, into an account earning 7% per annum, compounding annually for 9 years, I'm going to end up with that figure that I had there before, about $18,000. Well, congratulations, my videos on YouTube. Comment, like, subscribe. Yeah, cool. So that's what the present value is, right? It's not the future value. It's not what's in there at the moment. It's what amount needs to be in there now and left alone with no extra contributions to be worth the same amount in the future. So let's look at a written example here. Okay, read carefully. We're going to need to use this table, of course. Now, 6% per annum, 8 years, so 6% per annum is important. 8 years, compounding annually, right? Those are the important things that we need to maybe highlight here. So 6%, this column this time, 6% per annum for 8 years. There's these ones, okay. So that's the 6.2098. Yeah, that's the figure that I need here. So the present value of that annuity, where he's putting $750 per year, is 750 times this. So my present value is $750 times 6.2098. Right, let me magically work that out for you. Okay, so Liam would need to put $4,657.35 into that account that earns 6% per annum, compounding annually, and leave it for 8 years. And that's going to be the same as putting $750 into that account every year. Okay, so the present value of that annuity, in fact, if you were to offer somebody $750 per year, knowing that you could get 6% per annum, and you're going to give them that for 8 years, right? You could accept that, or you could accept 4,657.35. They are both worth the same to you by the end of 8 years. Okay, they'll both be worth the same after 8 years. That is the present value of an annuity. I think you probably want to watch those 2 videos a couple of times, and of course, we will work through these in class. Ask me some questions, please, please, please. Have some questions for me in class. We'll be around. Hope you enjoyed this. Like, share, not share, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.